In this video, I'm going to be harvesting some bok choy, which is Chinese cabbage, from our vegetable garden in our backyard. I want to give a shout out to my friend Monina. She gave me seeds, which I used. I planted them in early spring here in Boston, and they actually grew to these bok choy plants. And for some reason, these bok choy plants bolted, which from what I've read on the internet means that they created the long stem with the flowers rather than, just creating the leaves. So what I did to harvest them was I tried to cut the stem, just an inch from the root. I tried to leave a few leaves at the bottom so that the plant can possibly continue to grow. But from the flower stalks, I was able to pull out a lot of bok choy leaves, which were great. They weren't as large as you might find in the grocery store, but I'll take it. This is my first, my second year having a vegetable garden in our backyard, so I'm a total beginner. If you have any tips on how to grow bok choy and harvest it and cook it, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Here's a little footage of the flower stalks. I'd love to hear how to get seeds from these flower stalks. I'll try to plant them in a corner of my yard and see if the seeds drop and create some plants. That would be awesome. I also harvested some lettuce. I cut off the large lettuce leaves at the end and left a little bit of a flower in the middle with some leaves so the lettuce can continue to grow. And in my kitchen, here are the two bowls of the lettuce that I harvested and another bowl of the bok choy that I harvested. To cook the bok choy, I used a wok with a little canola oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce. It was delicious. So like I said, I'm still a beginner. If you have any tips on cooking, harvesting, and growing bok choy, please leave them in the comments below. Also, check out my organic lawn care playlist on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like, comment, or subscribe, and thanks for watching.